A piece of paper. Go sit down and copy for another piece of paper. I don't have any more. If you weren't standing there, I wouldn't be doing that. Go sit down. Go sit down. Go sit down. All right, have you guys turn in?
Can I have a piece of paper?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm gonna go ahead. Can I have these? Thanks.
Larry.
Damn. Black people taking over. He finna get in trouble. I thought
I'm gonna ask
Mr. Porter, are you doing a magic trick today?
No,
Mr. Porter.
Wow, it's Friday.
It's ready.
Can you just make up?
It's Friday. I'm gonna get you high, Chris.
You got no
All
job.
right, next thing.
You got shit to do.
Yeah, turn it in.
He got fired on his day off.
I'll be mad.
I go up there and set it off.
I'm saying you'll go with Daddy and just walk in the way.
Hey, put it in Mr. Porter's computer and then we'll all
I'm talking about two different ones.
Mr. Porter.
Nigga was smoking, trying to get that vacuum.
He said,
Still need more things other than trigonometry.
Mr. Porter, did you want this?
No, I don't want that. Keep that.
why he standing up like that?
What the?
Trigger!
Excuse me, your desk is stuck on my purse.
No. Your purse is stuck on his desk.
Excuse me, your desk is stuck on my purse.
Your purse is stuck on his desk.
All right, Michelle, sit up. This is new.
No, Lord.
I've never seen it before. Our class today, we're going to start on trigonometry.
No.
Trigger.
I'm not putting up with the guys. I've already written up one student. I have no problem with writing up other students, especially when I'm teaching you something new.
Yep. Why are you looking at me? Because you're black, huh?
All right, trigonometry. Everybody thinks it's hard. You've always heard, ooh, that's hard, that's really hard. You've probably heard it from an older person, okay?
I ain't heard that.
If I have to say it one more time, I'm sending you to the office.
Pick up that pencil.
It is not hard, because calculators take care of all the work for you now. It used to be very difficult because all the multiplications, everything, caused a lot of trouble. Now it's just a matter of setting it up and getting the answer. Okay? The word trigonometry comes from the word trigon, which means triangle, and metron, which means to measure. You won't be responsible for that. All right. The way we use trig is to set up ratios. Ratios to find the missing sides of angles in right triangles. We've been doing that so far. We've been using Pythagorean theorem and special right triangles. This is another method to find the lengths of a side in a triangle. In addition, we can find angles, which is nice as well. Our objective today is to memorize the side relationships in trigonometry and be able to set it up given a reference angle. Okay? Well, what's a reference angle? A reference angle is the, well, first of all, what is an angle? We have to give it a name here. All right. When we've been working with angles, we know that the angle is the inside part of our V. The inside part of our V. Now, we usually write a number in here, say like 50 degrees or something, which is fine.
Like what else?
But when we do trigonometry, we don't know what the angle is, so we have to have a variable for it. So we can write a Greek letter. Yes, ma'am?
Are we going to need that?
Yes, you will need that. Not all of them, just the theta part. Okay?
Theta.
That sounds like a
We rockin' theta.
sorority.
From
Theta.
top to y'all.
Theta, beta, phi.
Theta.
Alright, I'm done.
Theta.
Ooh.
All right, now, this letter here, the Greek letters is what we use for the variable names for angles. So you might see this like this, and you go, oh, I know that's got to be an angle. You also might see something like this, which would be, let's see here, alpha. That would be an angle. We might have one that looks like this over here. It's never going to be this one, because those are the right angles.
How are we supposed to remember all these?
You're not. You might have one over here, which is going to be like phi. All right?
Like
Phi.
Theta.
Now, you look at these and you say, hey, these look like sorority names, you know, like Kappa Alpha,
Like
or
Davis.
Delta Delta Delta,
Theta.
or Sigma Chi.
Were you part of a sorority?
You're part of the Thetas?
No, he was not.
Sigma. Sigma.
Dudes can be with sorority.
Oh, please.
Guys, you realize that every time you interrupt me, it's time that you can't get instruction? All right, yes, this is the name of sororities, okay, and fraternities. That's why they call the people in colleges the Greeks, okay? Because their names are taken after these letters right here. And a famous one is Sigma, Sigma Chi. Where's Sigma Chi? Here's Chi. So Sigma Chi would be one.
That's the exam.
All right, so this one, yeah, Sigma Chi, that one.
That's a cheat.
And so you don't have to remember all these. You just have to remember that if it's a Greek letter, it's probably an angle. The one we're going to be concerned with mostly is theta. All right, this is called theta.
There.
I don't know where to put it.
I need my pencil.
Mr. Porter was one of the dudes in the basement in the wardrobe, like, oh.
She eyeing me like a nigga don't exist. Girl, I don't even want to do that.
Now there are three functions. There is the sine. There is the cosine. Somebody got one of my calculators up there?
I do.
Okay, that's fine.
She was gonna steal it.
There's the sine, there's the cosine, and there's the tangent. These are your three trigonometric functions. All right? And they're on your calculator. You may have seen them before and wondered what they were for. That's what I'm going to teach you today.
Holy.
I already had one.
Good. It's your cell phone. We don't allow cell phones with your calculator.
I already got one.
Okay, good. All right, so on your calculator, you see those three buttons, the sine, the cosine, and the tangent. There you go.
So fake.
Always.
All right, now.
Somebody feelings for is fake.
Somebody what?
Huh?
Somebody feelings?
Oh, I so you're sure?
You think I get it?
Okay, now the ratios. This is the part that most people miss, that don't understand. If you do this part, the rest is easy.
Is this part hard?